Hello and welcome to The Appointment. I am Pranjal Sharma. Joining me today for a conversation is Mr. A.M. Nayak, who is the Group Executive Chairman of Larsen & Toubro L&T. Mr. Nayak, thank you very much for being with me today. I know that we are discussing the IPO of a company which is very close to your heart. I would like to begin by asking you about the origins and the genesis of L&T Infotech.
You know, I used to watch in late 80s and early 90s why L&T has such a high attrition rate, the L&T as a group. Because talent is really the winning, the only way you can win the business. Competition is always on talent. People who have a great talent, they will win. People who have mediocre talent will lose. And to that extent, I am paranoid about making sure that we have a best leadership, the best technological excellence and so on. And therefore, it worried me no end when this was happening. But at the same time, I was running heavy industry and project business and so on. And then I took over in April 28 as a CEO and MD of the company. I wanted to transform the company. L&T has been a great company all these years. Decades, in fact. Great brand value. Does things that many people can't do. In fact, very few can. But I used to watch why is L&T not able to convert this excellence into a value creation for all stakeholders. Because in L&T, everybody was very happy being called great professionals. And I wanted them to be called great entrepreneurial professionals. So when I took over, I launched a first 5-year plan in the history of then 65 years or 64 years, which was a transformational first 5-year plan called Project Blue Chip. We hired BCG, got on with it right on the first 30 days. I wanted to achieve certain things in 90 days. I wrote it down. One of them was launching the 5-year strategic plan, which has to be executed with entire enthusiasm, but with a differentiation of anything that you do, what is the value in it. It doesn't mean that you give your technological emphasis, but while you are doing something very innovative, creative, why are you not also keeping in mind that it must bring return? It must create value. And that was the genesis of my entire transformation. And I used to tell our employees that people who are very good professionals will maintain the company. Slowly may inch up. People who are great leaders will add the value. And the people who are entrepreneurial, great leader with professional background will multiply value.
But do you see this specific in the technology sector in L&T Infotech? Do you see that?
This is valid for any business. It is a leadership that must speak of creating value all round by all the top managers. So, the blueprint for the strategic plan was ready by December 99. February, it was approved by the board, February 2000. I went on to various L&T locations to sell my ideas of transformation as to what is new in it. And if you see our new vision that came out in November 99 is a completely new orientation to what we should be looking for. Concern for the employees, yes. Creating a super brand, yes. But becoming global and international was a new emphasis. And Infotech fell into that very much. Because 97% of what we do is Infotech, IT. Then value creation. That was one of the main driver for that entire strategic plan. August 2000, when I finished my round for convincing, or rather trying to convince people that the transformation doesn't mean losing jobs. Transformation meaning creating value at the same time growing faster. So there came a time in August when I had been wondering from July to August as I have been traveling, and 800 more people left right in front of my eyes during my own period, and that is only to IT industry. Because we have 82 domains, and everyone wants domain experts. They are called functional experts.
True.
You can get the IT professionals But then only IT professional doesn't deliver. The people who drive the business are the people who know the industry. And those are the ones who are most wanted. And if they keep being lost at the rate of something like 60, 70 or 2 a day, let's say, I mean, the L&T group business is in danger, not just IT.
टेक्नोलॉजी का सूरत दुनिया भर में बदल रही है। L&T इन्फोटेक ने काफ़ी सालों से अच्छा काम किया है, लेकिन अब जो नए मुद्दे सामने आ रहे हैं, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, डेटा प्रोटेक्शन, रोबोटिक्स, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, लोगों का मानना है कि जो आज की टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनीज़ हैं उनकी आवश्यकता आगे नहीं होगी, एक नई तरीके की टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी की शुरुआत की आवश्यकता है। आपका इसमें क्या विचार है? L&T इन्फोटेक को आप किस तरह से बदलना चाहते हैं जिससे अगले 5 और 10 साल में वो फिर भी एक बाज़ार के लिए ज़रूरी साबित हो?
मैंने आपको अभी बोला हमारा फर्स्ट स्ट्रेटजिक प्लान किस तरह था, टू क्रिएट वैल्यू, ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग द कंपनी। हमारा सेकंड स्ट्रेटजिक प्लान एंड थर्ड भी चले गए, ये फोर्थ स्ट्रेटजिक प्लान है 16 to 21 तक का। वो भी एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल स्ट्रेटजिक प्लान है, वो लॉन्च हो रहा है 12 तारीख को। एंड 13th आधा दिन हम खाली ये जो आपने क्वेश्चन रेज किया कि इन्फोटेक का क्या फ्यूचर होगा, मैं तो ये बोल रहा हूँ आपका L&T ग्रुप का क्या फ्यूचर होगा। तो हम जो स्ट्रेटजी बना रहे हैं, जिसके ऊपर सोच रहे हैं, वो पूरा L&T के लिए सोच रहे हैं। 3 साल पहले हमने स्मार्ट वर्ल्ड डिपार्टमेंट क्रिएट किया था L&T के अंदर। L&T एक ही कंपनी है जिधर फिजिकल एंड डिजिटल दोनों कैपेबिलिटी मिली हुई है। हम आखा सिटी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, बिल्डिंग क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, फिजिकली करते हैं। अभी उसके अंदर इंटेलिजेंस डालना है, ऑटोमेशन डालना है, डिजिटल डालना है और सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम डालना है, स्मार्ट ग्रिड करना है। सो वी हैव ए ग्रुप कॉल्ड स्मार्ट वर्ल्ड। 3 साल में उसका बिजनेस ये साल हुआ है 1100 करोड़, जो साल निकल गया वो। और हमारा ये स्ट्रेटजिक प्लान में उसका बिजनेस 5 गुना होगा। तो ईयर 21 में वो $1 बिलियन तक पहुंचने की हमारी आशा है। अभी ये बात ऐसी नहीं है कि ये बिजनेस 1 बिलियन हो जाए तो कंपनी का कुछ रिवॉल्यूशनरी प्रोग्रेस हो जाए, ये छोटी बात है। लेकिन उसका जो लिवरेजिंग होगा हमारे हर एक बिजनेस में, कि किधर हम हमारे ऑटोमेशन बढ़ा सकते हैं, रोबोटिक्स का एप्लीकेशन लाके क्वालिटी इंप्रूवमेंट कर सकते हैं, और हर एक बिजनेस का जो ओरिएंटेशन है किस तरह बदला जाए कि जिसे हम ग्लोबल बेंचमार्क में रह सके और हिंदुस्तान में हमेशा आगे रहे।